Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to be fermenting jalapeno peppers. We love the flavor of fermented jalapenos. It's one of our go-to hot sauces, but today we're just slicing them up and making kind of a pickled jalapeno, but with a much more complex acidity that we love to put on everything. These are our go-to peppers for tucking into grilled cheese sandwiches, quesadillas, topping nachos, and our trick for kind of making a quick skillet chili taste like it was cooked a whole lot longer. And this is a ferment we always have on hand. We'll make our half-gallon batch, then store it in the refrigerator in these smaller jars, so when we open the last jar, we know it's time to start another batch. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. We're coming out with new videos for fermented hot sauce, kraut, kimchi, kombucha, and a whole lot more. But for now, let's get started making these jalapenos. For this recipe, you'll need a whole bunch of fresh jalapenos, half a lime, but just the peel, and some fresh garlic. Whenever using hot peppers, even if they are just jalapenos, we still recommend wearing gloves. For this recipe, we're fermenting the jalapenos in slices so that you can use them in tacos, nachos, and have them on hand for anything you want. For your brine, combine 1 quart of water with 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Then whisk to dissolve. There you go. Now let's get those jalapenos into your fermenter. We like to fill it about 1/3 of the way full with jalapenos, then add in some of that garlic and lime. Now more jalapenos. Pack them all in there. Add the rest of your lime peel and garlic. And then top off with as many jalapenos as you can fit, but still leave room for a little bit of headspace. Perfect. Now add your fermentation weight and pour in that brine. You want the jalapenos to be completely covered when weighted. There you go. Now top with your lid and airlock and ferment away. After your jalapenos are done fermenting, you want to move them into smaller jars and store in the fridge. These jalapenos are going to turn army green, kind of develop a silky smooth cooked texture, and add so much flavor to whatever you're putting them on. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and please subscribe and we'll keep these fermentation videos coming.